Hello my lovely viewers, you are watching Z Academy. So today Z Academy presenting a brand new tutorial how to trace logo. So it's super easy and easy peasy, and we will learn how to trace and how to color and give it a shadow and how to make this 3D like mockup, and very interesting. So let's get started. First, we are going to open a file which we will going to trace it. So I'm just going to take this image, or this is a simply having no quality, and this logo, or you can say this is logo and don't have quality, and you can check this. And first we make a copy of it, and just later after working we will just compare them. Hold Alt key, drag it to make a copy. Now just simply select the logo and go to the image tracing option and simply select the three colors, and now just click on the expand and then click on the object and just ungroup it. Now select the background and click on the backspace button and it will be removed. So finally our logo is ready and traced, and now we can work on each part, on each shape of this logo. So after tracing, now you can check this is not perfect and we are going to fix this. And now simply use the delete anchor point tool and we just delete extra points and just remove the anchor, and now it looks a little perfect. Now also check this is also not perfect, and we are going to delete extra points and just adjust it. And now simply click on the nose and adjust a little each point, and that it should look a little more perfect. Just simply adjust them. And now just simply fix the eyelashes and just adjust each points and anchor points. So by fixing the lips, and just take the pen tool and just make 2 points and then drag to select all and take the shape builder tool. We are going to make 2 shapes, and now separate the both shape and then take the delete anchor point and just delete the extra points. Oh, oops, don't worry, we also fix this. Select both and take the shape builder tool and make this also shape. Now simply check the comparison of both and the traced logo. Oh, it's very perfect. So finally our traced logo is ready, and if you want to learn how to color it and how to make it gradient color and how to give it a shadow, so it's very simple from our next tutorial. So just visit the part 2. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial and learned many things, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to the Academy, so it will help me to make a better content for you, and also leave your thoughts on my comment section. Thank you very much. Allah bless you.